These are the components you will be getting in a heavy capacity shelving unit. You will get 4 posts, 8 double rivet long sides, optional support bars, and 8 double rivet short sides. The first step is building the frame. Have one person hold posts while the other puts in the double rivet short side on bottom. Hammer it in. Then add a double rivet short side on top. Count the appropriate number of holes between levels. In this example, on a 6-foot posts, we did 14 holes clear for the first level and 13 for the rest. Repeat the process to the other frame. Once both frames are completed, add a double rivet long side on the bottom. Add another double rivet long side on the other part of the frame. Make sure to hammer it in. The frame will stand up on its own. Add the other frame to the double rivet long sides on bottom. The next step is to add the double rivet long sides on top. Make sure to hammer it in. Line up the double rivet long sides with the double rivet short sides in the middle. Support bars are optional, but add weight capacity to longer units. When adding support bars, line up with the rivets on the inside of your double rivet long side. Hammer it in. Repeat the process for all levels. The last step is adding in particle board. Add the top level first and make sure it is flush inside the post. The easiest way to place particle board in the middle is by sliding the board diagonally through the posts and lining up the opposite corner. The board will then drop in. This is your completed 96-inch width by 24-inch depth by 72-inch height heavy capacity shelving unit.